sino tayo sa bahay, at kung sino tayo sa simbahan, malimit magkaiba. Kaya may iba tayo. Di ba? Nagbabago tayo ng anyo. Parang mutation, ano? Nag-mutate. Ano mutate? Ha? Mga X-Men, nag-mutate. Nagbabago ang anyo, di ba? Okay, nag-mutate into another form. Kapag tayo, we go to church, we put on our Sunday best. Sunday best, yun. Best ba yung suto ngayon or whatever. You know, we put on our best, you know, when we go to our church services. We put on the best clothes. Di ba? We put on the best attire. Siyempre, hindi lang kasi nag-date mo si sister, nag-date mo si brother, kaya maporma ka, pero siyempre, to really present yourself to God. We put on the best smile. Kanina, grabe yung fellowship. Sabi ko, upo na tayo, ayaw pa rin matapos, you know? We give the best in our fellowship. We put on the best attitude. Siyempre, pagpasok dito, dapat talagang humble ka. Di ba? Tapos kung hindi, baka palamasin ka ng asin, no? Ito ang the best attitude. Di ba? Servant, smile. Yung mga greeting, talaga naman wrap around smile. Di ba? Masasaya. Talagang yun, when we go to church, we put on our best self. Yun ang attitude natin eh. Nakaprogram na yun eh. Pagpupulot tayo sa simbahan. Pero pagdating natin sa bahay, malimit, we take them off. Okay? Kasi bahay na, so dapat pambahay naman. Palit sa mga, pambahay na eh. So, yung best clothes and best attire, you know, pambahay naman. Kaya maging komportable eh. Eh malimit, pati natin pag-ugali, eh pambahay na rin. Diba? Kasi bahay na eh. Okay? Tapos na yun dyan. Nawala sa bahay yung malimit si Cathy and pinapansin niya yung pagiging disorganized ko. And sometimes nilalaan din yung impatient ako, you know. And pinapansin ni Cathy, yung one thing I appreciate is that often na meron akong kasamang disciple sa bahay. You know, often that, you know, I have my wife na nagre-remind sa akin. You know, may nagbabantay sa akin. And nakita ko talagang meron akong gwardiya. Di ba? May nagagwardiya, tumutulong sa akin. Pag tingin ko sarili ko, oy, talagang pambahay mo yung sarili ko. You know? And you just remind me. Okay? Pero siguro para sa atin, kumusta yung ating Christianity pag tayo ay nasa bahay? Yung mga umuwi ng probinsya, kumusta tayo pag uwi natin sa ating lumang bahay sa probinsya? You know, how's our Christianity? And siguro sa married people, kumusta yung ating godliness? You know, and you know, we can hear stories, you know, sa bagay, malimit, normal na yun, sabihin, mag-asawa, nag-aaway, nagsusuntaan, you know, kung ano naman salitang ginagamit, you know, at saka yung doctrine. But you know, will this be right for Christian married people? Hindi naman dapat, di ba? That we make a vow to love our wife, to love our husband, okay? Hindi pwedeng pagdating sa simbahan na talagang super ba, you know, caring servant, sinister o sinisis pagdating sa bahay para kayo mag-sparring partner. Diba? That's not good. But, you know, even at home, okay, we should be glorifying God. Hindi pwede tayo parang nasa showbiz. Iba yung nakikita sa TV, iba yung tunay na buhay. Okay, alam ko marami sa atin dito, hilig mag-artista. Okay? Pero, hindi natin pwede gawin yun sa pagiging Kristiyano natin. Yung tinatawag natin yung living a double life. Or, yung anti-long hypocrisy. Diba? Kung natin sa Isaiah chapter 1 sa verse 11. Okay? Isaiah chapter 1 sa verse 11. Sabi nga dyan, The multitude of your sacrifices, and then po ba tayo? Isaiah, in the Old Testament. Okay, 1:11, the multitude of your sacrifices, what are they to me? Says the Lord. I have more than enough of burnt offerings, of rams and the fat of fattened animals. I have no pleasure in the blood of goats and lambs and goats. When you go to appear before me, who has asked this of you? The children of my court. Stop bringing meaningless offerings. Your incense is detestable to me, new moons, Sabbaths, and convocations. I cannot bear your evil assembly. Your new moon festivals and your appointed feasts my soul hates. They become a burden to me, I am weary of bearing them. When you spread out your hands in prayer, I will hide my eyes from you. Even if you offer many prayers, I will not listen. Your hands are full of blood. Wash and make yourself clean. Take your evil deeds out of my sight. Stop doing wrong. Learn to do right, seek justice, encourage the oppressed, defend the cause of the fatherless, plead the case of the widow. So makita natin dito, yung mga, God is talking to those sa mga sumasama sa Kanya, pero nakita natin hindi naman yun at pinapakita nila sa kanilang buhay. Hypocrisy, living a double life, or show this Christianity. Bagong term yun, kasalanan natin lagi natin dapat iwasan. Dapat kung sino tayo simbahan, ganun din tayo sa ating tahanan. Kaya ako natin ko nga, when I was single, living in a household. At hindi lang isa nagbabantay. Marami. At hindi lang ako pinupulan, nare-review pa. But really good. I think the household is praying the disciples to really grow their character and in their faith with God. Sabi nga rin sa Isaiah, an unrepentant, sinful life will not worship God in the church. Okay? An unrepentant, sinful life will not worship God in the church. Okay? Sa ating tahanan. Pero, meron din ito pang lugar na maaari natin makita, nag-iiba tayo ng anyo. Paano sa mga lugar trapiko, o kaya pag